The mortal remains of 46-year-old Odia youth Pramod Sahu, who died in Saudi Arabia, were brought back to Odisha after 9 days, thanks to the timely intervention of Kendrapada MP and BJP National VP Baijan Panda. Pramod, a resident of Kulasamit village under Salipur in Cuttack district, had reportedly died of a heart attack on February 13 while working abroad. According to sources, Pramod had been employed for several years as a mechanical project manager in a company based in Saudi Arabia. However, following his sudden death, procedural formalities delayed the return of his body to his native place. Facing difficulties in repatriating the mortal remains, Pramod's family sought assistance from BJP National Vice President and Kendrapada MP Baijan Panda. After his intervention, the process to bring the body back to India was expedited. Officials coordinated with the Ministry of External Affairs and the Indian Embassy in Saudi Arabia to complete the necessary documentation and clearances. Following these efforts, Pramod's body was finally flown back to Odisha, bringing closure to the grieving family.
किभଳି ଭାବରେ ଆମର ଲୋକପ୍ରିୟ ସାଂସଦ ବୈଜୟନ୍ତ ବାବୁଙ୍କୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବଂ ବୈଜୟନ୍ତ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କହିକି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ସେଠୁ ସେ ସବୁ ଆସିପାରିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଅଫିସ ସହିତ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରିଥିଲି ଏବଂ ସାଂସଦ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଫିସ ତରଫରୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବେ ଆମକୁ ସହଯୋଗ ମିଳିଲା ଏବଂ ସେଠି ତାର ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ କରାଗଲା କାଗଜପତ୍ର ସବୁ ତୟାର ସରିଲା ପରେ ଆଜି ଯାହା ହଉ ଏଠି ପହଞ୍ଚୁଛି ବହୁତ ଖୁସିର କଥା ଯେ ଆମେ ଭାବୁଥିଲୁ ଯେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ସେଠୁ ଆସିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ସବୁ ଆସିବା କଷ୍ଟ କିନ୍ତୁ ସାଂସଦଙ୍କର ହସ୍ତକ୍ଷେପ ଯୋଗୁଁ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆଜି ଏ କଥା ସମ୍ଭବ ହୋଇପାରିଛି ଅଶେଷ ଅଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ 13 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ସେଠି ଯାହା ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଅଛି କାଗଜପତ୍ର ସମସ୍ତ ସରିଲା ପରେ ସେ ତାପରେ ବିଦା କଲେ ଏଠି